pandemic, your buddies may have a lot of struggles. They need someone to vent and to support them. Are you a good listener? I can't stand it anymore. It's so frustrating stuck at home. About listening, sometimes this may happen.
Hey buddy, you look depressed. What happened? It's complicated. What? You shouldn't feel bad. Why don't you? Blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Oh buddy, are you okay? I'm okay. Thanks for your advices. I know you just wanted to help me, but I rather you leave me alone.
Sometimes we may see this.
It's frustrating and disappointing. They said they will support me, but very few actually helped. Blah 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 blah. Oh well, I guess this is life. Thanks so much for calming me down, buddy. I'm okay now. I didn't even say a word.
What exactly is the type of support your buddy needs? Besides being a good listener, there are actions showing we care. We can spend quality time with our buddies. Touches and body contact is another way to show we care. We can provide service and help. We can gift. Words of affirmation and encouragement is also a way to show we care. Among these actions, which ones would work better for you? Which ones would work better for your buddy? You are becoming a better buddy by addressing to what your buddy wants. No matter what, we walk through the rainy days together. We can sing through tough times because we have each other. Also, we know darkness will be over eventually. And guess what? When you are becoming a more caring buddy or helping others to become one, you are changing the world.